ants are the most common home invading pests. And if they're carpenter ants, they can even be destructive. Just like bees, carpenter ants are social insects that have a nest. While it's not always possible to locate, your Amtech technician will concentrate on looking for and eliminating the nest, using a flushing product that chases ants from their hiding spots and quickly kills them. Why choose Amtech? With an average 10 years experience, our technicians have seen it all. Our goal is to quickly eliminate your problem using the safest products available and treat your home and family as we would our own. And we're local for faster response time. Want to be proactive? Ask about Amtech's economical 5-star service program. We'll inspect, detect, and treat pests you may not even know existed. It's your home, it's your family. Ask about Amtech's economical 5-star protection plan and we'll take $25 off your first service. Call Amtech now at 888-378-3557 or fill out the form and someone will get back to you within minutes.